Okay, so this is an hour later, and it's really a lot worse. It's a lot more orange. You can't see anything at all, really. I'll shoot some video so you can see. So this is the area where we were looking at that company building earlier that was right next to the wall. And then we went across the street, and you can barely make out that container with the cars parked next to it that I showed you earlier. Now you can see it a little better. This is along the front side of our clinic. And I'm zoomed in, so I'm going to zoom out and show you. We're actually not that far from that Explorer, but you can't see it that well. There's a truck moving in the distance over there, if you can see the headlights. There's a car coming up the road. Now you'll see how close he gets until you can actually see the car. Right there. This van's basically going to disappear in like 5 minutes. 20 seconds is gone. And this is why we paint our trucks tan, because you can't see shit. And that's Hawksworth. And there you have it. And I just got dust in my eye, so see you later. I think that van was a working motherfucker, wasn't it?
I don't even want to leave.
I wouldn't either.
But yeah, I got about an hour before I'm done.
I was gonna say, before you have to what?
Call the wife.
What's on Woot? Did you check it?
Nope.
Me neither. Can't see shit. Damn it.
Can you read it? I IR tab